Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered if you accidentally subscribed to a premium membership called Being Broke Forever? You know the feeling? Payday finally arrives. For about 15 glorious minutes, you feel like a financial genius. Then the rent clears. The credit card payment hits. Your grocery bill reminds you that eggs somehow became a luxury item. Before you know it, your paycheck has disappeared faster than free samples at Costco. It's easy to believe that saving your first $100,000 is something only high-income earners, lottery winners, or people with wealthy parents can accomplish. Social media certainly doesn't help. Every day you see someone driving an exotic car, buying another rental property, or claiming they became a millionaire before turning 30. Meanwhile, you're just hoping your car doesn't decide that today is the day it wants a very expensive repair. But here's what most people never realize. The first $100,000 isn't important because it's a nice round number. It's important because it completely changes how money begins working for you. Building that first 6 figures often feels painfully slow. Every dollar comes from your own effort, discipline, and consistency. Then something remarkable happens. Once you reach that milestone, compound interest becomes your most powerful partner, helping you earn your next $100,000 much faster than your first. My name is Theo, and I help everyday Americans build wealth through practical investing and smart financial decisions instead of hype and false promises. If you're serious about taking control of your money, building long-term wealth, and creating financial freedom, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if this video helps you see money differently today, I hope you'll share it with someone who needs to hear it. Here's the truth. Most people fail to reach their first $100,000 because they're fighting the wrong battles. They spend hours searching for ways to save $3 on coffee while completely ignoring financial decisions worth thousands every single year. Wealth isn't built by chasing tiny victories while massive leaks quietly drain your financial future. Real wealth is built through systems. Your mindset determines whether those systems survive difficult times. And every smart financial decision you make today creates a ripple effect that can continue compounding for decades. None of these strategies are flashy. None require perfect timing or incredible luck. But together, they dramatically shorten the road to your first $100,000. Let's begin with strategy number 1. Strategy number 1 is optimizing your housing costs. Housing is the largest expense for most American families. That means it's also the biggest opportunity to accelerate wealth building. Many financial experts recommend keeping housing costs at or below 30% of your income. Once that percentage climbs significantly higher, saving and investing become dramatically more difficult. Think about 2 people earning exactly the same salary. The first spends $2,800 each month on housing. The second spends $1,800. That $1,000 monthly difference may not seem life-changing at first. But if the second person consistently invests that extra $1,000 every month into a diversified portfolio earning long-term market returns, the results become astonishing over time. After years of consistent investing, that decision alone can grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars in additional wealth. That's not because the second investor found a secret investment. It's because they created more room for investing every single month. There are several ways to accomplish this. Some people choose to have roommates for a few years instead of living alone. Others practice house hacking by purchasing a home, living in one portion of the property, and renting out the remaining rooms or units to offset their mortgage. Some families relocate to areas with a lower cost of living where their income stretches much further. None of these choices are glamorous. In fact, some even feel like temporary sacrifices while friends appear to be living more luxurious lives. But wealth often looks boring before it looks impressive. The person driving an older car, sharing a home, or living below their means may actually be buying something far more valuable than appearances. They're buying freedom, freedom to invest, freedom to retire earlier, freedom to worry less about unexpected expenses, freedom to let compound interest quietly transform today's sacrifices into tomorrow's opportunities. And that's what makes this final strategy so powerful. It doesn't just save money once. It creates more money to invest every single month for years, allowing every other strategy you've learned today to work even harder. Strategy number 2 is avoiding lifestyle inflation. This is one of the most common reasons people with good incomes never become wealthy. A promotion arrives, then comes the larger apartment, the luxury SUV, the expensive vacations, the newest phone, the upgraded furniture. None of these purchases seem unreasonable on their own. In fact, after working hard, rewarding yourself feels completely natural. The problem begins when every raise disappears into higher monthly expenses. Many millionaires develop a different habit. Every time their income increases, they automatically invest at least half of the raise before they have a chance to spend it. Suppose you receive a raise worth an extra $800 each month. Instead of spending all $800, you immediately direct at least $400 into your investment accounts through automatic contributions. The remaining amount can improve your lifestyle without sacrificing your financial future. This simple rule allows your standard of living to improve gradually while your investments grow even faster. Automation makes the process almost effortless. When the investment happens automatically, you never have to rely on motivation. You won't have to wake up every morning wondering whether you're disciplined enough to invest. That decision has already been made. That's how systems beat willpower. Over time, your paycheck grows, your investments grow, your wealth grows. And because your spending rises much more slowly than your income, the gap between what you earn and what you keep becomes larger every single year. Which brings us to the next strategy. Strategy number 3 is investing in broad market index funds. This strategy isn't exciting enough to make flashy headlines. No one brags at a party about buying another S&P 500 index fund. There's no dramatic prediction about the next company that will change the world overnight. And maybe that's exactly why it works. An S&P 500 index fund allows you to own small pieces of roughly 500 of America's largest publicly traded companies. Instead of trying to guess which business will become the next big winner, you own businesses across technology, healthcare, finance, consumer products, energy, and many other industries. Most investors underestimate how difficult it is to consistently pick individual stocks. Even professionals with access to enormous amounts of research regularly fail to outperform the broader market over long periods. Imagine trying to predict which single tree in a forest will grow the tallest over the next 20 years. You might guess correctly, you might not. But if you own the entire forest, you benefit regardless of which tree grows the fastest. That's exactly what broad market investing allows you to do. As America's strongest companies continue innovating, expanding, and generating profits, your portfolio grows alongside them. Companies that struggle eventually become less important in the index, while stronger businesses naturally take their place. The system quietly adapts without requiring you to constantly make emotional decisions. This approach frees you from spending every evening reading earnings reports or worrying about whether one disappointing headline will destroy your portfolio. Instead of chasing the next superstar stock, you simply participate in the long-term growth of the American economy itself. Strategy number 4 is stopping the endless attempt to time the market. Human nature tells us to buy when everything feels safe and exciting. Unfortunately, that's often when prices are already high. Then markets fall, fear takes over, headlines become terrifying, and many investors sell at exactly the wrong moment. Later, when markets recover, they wait for another perfect opportunity that never seems to arrive. This cycle repeats itself over and over. The reality is that consistently predicting short-term market movements is incredibly difficult. Even professional fund managers with massive research teams struggle to do it year after year. What's even more damaging is missing just a handful of the market's strongest days. Some of the biggest gains often happen shortly after periods of sharp declines, when fear is still dominating the headlines. Investors who stay on the sidelines while waiting for certainty frequently miss those powerful rebounds. Think of it like trying to catch an elevator by guessing which floor it will stop on next. You may get lucky once or twice, but eventually you'll spend more time waiting than actually moving upward. Instead of trying to predict every twist and turn, successful long-term investors focus on consistency. They invest regularly, regardless of whether the news sounds optimistic or frightening. They understand that temporary volatility is simply part of the price of earning long-term growth. Automatic investing makes this habit even easier. Money leaves your paycheck or bank account on a regular schedule, purchases investments, and keeps working whether the market is celebrating or panicking. Over time, this disciplined approach removes emotion from the process. You stop worrying about today's headlines and start focusing on where your portfolio could be 10, 20, or even 30 years from now. And once you stop trying to outsmart the market, you can finally focus on owning the market itself. Strategy number 5 is reducing your investment fees. Investment fees often seem harmless because they're almost invisible. You rarely write a check for them. You usually don't see money leaving your bank account every month. Instead, those fees quietly reduce your returns year after year. One of the most important numbers every investor should understand is the expense ratio. An expense ratio represents the annual cost of owning an investment fund. The difference between paying 1% and 0.1% may sound insignificant. After all, what's less than 1 percentage point? The answer is more money than most people imagine. Picture two investors starting with identical portfolios. Both invest consistently for decades. Both earn the same market returns before fees. The only difference is that one owns a fund charging a 1% expense ratio, while the other invests in a low-cost index fund charging just 0.10%. As the years pass, the lower-cost investor keeps more of every dollar earned. Those savings continue compounding right alongside the investments themselves. Decades later, the difference can amount to tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars without taking any additional risk. It's similar to filling two identical buckets with water while one bucket has a tiny hole in the bottom. At first, the leak seems insignificant. Given enough time, however, one bucket ends up holding far less water than the other. This is one reason low-cost index funds have become such a powerful tool for long-term investors. They allow you to keep more of what the market earns instead of watching unnecessary fees quietly consume your future wealth. Now that you've learned how to keep more of your investment returns, it's time to discuss another powerful way to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Strategy number 6 is reinvesting every dividend. At first, dividends may seem too small to matter. You receive a few dollars here, a few dollars there, and it barely feels worth noticing. Many new investors are tempted to take that cash and spend it. After all, a little extra money in your account feels rewarding. But this is where patience quietly separates wealthy investors from everyone else. Every dividend that gets reinvested buys additional shares. Those new shares eventually generate their own dividends. Then those dividends buy even more shares. It's like planting a tree that produces seeds, and every seed grows into another tree. At first the forest looks tiny. Years later, it becomes almost impossible to count. History provides a powerful lesson. Much of the S&P 500's long-term performance has come not only from rising stock prices, but also from dividends being reinvested over many decades. Investors who spent those dividends still benefited from market growth, but those who reinvested them allowed compound interest to work at full strength. The difference isn't dramatic after 1 year. It isn't even dramatic after 5 years. But over 20 or 30 years, the gap becomes enormous. What started as a small decision slowly turns into tens or even hundreds of thousands of additional dollars. People often search for complicated investing strategies while overlooking one of the simplest habits that has quietly created wealth for generations. Of course, maximizing your investment returns isn't only about earning more. It's also about giving away less. Strategy number 7 is building additional income streams. There's only so much you can cut from your budget before life becomes miserable. Eventually, the math stops working. Income, however, has far fewer limits. Maybe you freelance on weekends. Maybe you offer bookkeeping services, graphic design, tutoring, photography, home repairs, or consulting. Maybe you start a small online business that earns a few $100s each month. It doesn't have to replace your full-time job. It simply needs to create extra cash flow. Here's where most people make a critical mistake. They increase their income, then immediately increase their spending. A nicer apartment, a newer car, more expensive vacations. The extra money disappears almost as quickly as it arrived. Instead, imagine investing every dollar from your side income. Your regular paycheck continues covering your lifestyle while your additional earnings quietly purchase shares of businesses that keep working long after you finished your freelance project or delivered your last customer order. Growing your income while keeping your lifestyle relatively stable creates a powerful acceleration effect. Suddenly, your investments aren't relying on one paycheck anymore. They have multiple engines pushing them forward. And as those investments begin producing income of their own, you'll discover that the next strategy quietly multiplies their power even further. Strategy number 8 is capturing every dollar of your employer's 401k match. This may be the closest thing to free money you'll ever receive. Suppose your employer matches 50 cents for every dollar you contribute, up to a certain percentage of your salary. If you invest $100, your employer immediately adds another $50. That's an instant 50% return before the market even has a chance to move. Imagine walking down the street and finding $50 every time you invested 100. Most people would never ignore that opportunity. Yet many workers leave thousands of dollars on the table every year simply because they never enroll or contribute enough to receive the full match. That decision doesn't just cost them today. It costs decades of future growth because every matching dollar also compounds alongside their own investments. Now that you've learned how to keep more money and collect free money, the next step is finding ways to keep even more of the money you already earn. Strategy number 9 is learning how to legally pay less in taxes. This isn't about complicated loopholes or hiring expensive accountants. It's about using retirement accounts that already exist to help ordinary workers build wealth faster. Many Americans overlook accounts like a traditional IRA or a 401k because they focus only on the money leaving their paycheck today. They don't realize they're also reducing their taxable income at the same time. Imagine earning $50,000 a year. If you contribute several $1,000s into a traditional 401k, your taxable income becomes lower. That means you may owe less in federal income taxes while your investments continue growing inside the account. Instead of sending every possible dollar to taxes today, you allow more of your money to stay invested for your future. Think of tax savings as an instant investment return. You didn't outperform the stock market. You simply kept more of your own money. That's one of the safest financial wins available, yet millions of people never fully take advantage of it. And when you combine tax savings with consistent investing, lower fees, dividend reinvestment, and decades of compound growth, every dollar you save today has the opportunity to work much harder for your future. When you step back and look at these 9 strategies together, something remarkable becomes clear. None of them rely on predicting the next hot stock. None require earning a 7-figure income. None depend on luck. Instead, they form a complete wealth-building system. You optimize your housing costs. You avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. You invest consistently through broad market index funds. You stop trying to time the market. You keep investment fees low. You reinvest every dividend. You create additional income instead of relying on one paycheck. You collect every dollar of your employer's 401k match. And you reduce taxes whenever possible. Each decision may seem small on its own. Together, they reinforce one another year after year until reaching your first $100,000 becomes not a matter of luck, but a matter of consistency. Remember, the first $100,000 is the hardest because you're doing almost all of the work yourself. You're saving. You're investing. You're staying disciplined even when progress feels slow. But once you reach that milestone, your investments begin working alongside you. Compound interest starts carrying more of the weight. The journey that once felt impossible begins to accelerate. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to make every financial decision flawlessly. You simply need to stay consistent long enough for the system to do what it was designed to do. Because wealth is built through systems, not bursts of motivation. Years from now, you may look back on this moment as the day everything changed, not because you discovered a magic shortcut, but because you finally committed to a strategy that actually works. Your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. So start where you are. Use what you have. Stay patient, stay invested, and let time become your greatest financial advantage. Thank you for watching. I wish you success.